Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Crew 2 not launching on Steam. First, start with initial checks and basic fixes. Restart and update. Restart your PC and the Steam client. Make sure both Steam and the Ubisoft Connect launcher are updated to the latest versions. Verify game files. In Steam, right-click on the Crew 2, go to Properties, then Install Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. In Ubisoft Connect, click the three dots next to the game, select Manage, and then choose Verify Files. Update the drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Advanced troubleshooting. Run as administrator. Right-click on the Crew 2 executable file found by browsing local files from its Steam properties and select Properties, then Compatibility. Check the box for Run this program as an administrator and click Apply. Do the same for both the Steam client and the Ubisoft Connect launcher. Check system requirements. Verify that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for the game. Check for antivirus interference. Your antivirus software might be interfering. Try temporarily disabling it or adding the game and launchers to its exclusion list. And finally, clear Steam download cache. This can help resolve issues with the Steam client itself. You can find this option in Steam settings. Last resort options. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, you need to uninstall and reinstall the game. And finally, contact support. If the problem persists, contact Ubisoft support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.